Welcome to the Educators online sport program. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you would be fine and healthy. I pray that Allah Almighty may save us all from this pandemic. Dear students, this is the first lesson of communication skills. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to know about your country, Pakistan, and the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam. Dear students, today our topic is My Country, My Pride, Pakistan. So let's open your resource pack at page number 7. Students, you must have your stationery items with you, that are pencil, razor, sharpener, scale, your resource pack and your notebook. Look at this picture. It is a map. Do you know which country's map is this? Yes, all of you know this is the map of our beloved country, Pakistan. Students, can you tell me which country's flag is this? Good. So, all of you know this is the flag of our country, Pakistan. Now, can you recognize this personality? Yes, he is the founder of Pakistan. He is regarded as the father of our nation, Pakistan. Let's start reading from page number 7. Hope all of you have opened your resource pack at page number 7. But before we start reading, prepare your page. Write day, today's task, date at the top of your page. Hope all of you have written? Good. Let's start reading. My country, my pride, Pakistan. At the time of partition, everyone worked very hard for Pakistan. Students, here partition means being divided into different parts. Before division, it was a subcontinent. India and Pakistan were in same part. Everyone worked very hard for making Pakistan. Moving to the next line, it was because of everyone's sacrifices that Pakistan came into being. Here, sacrifices means something you give up usually for the sake of a better cause, means qurbani dena. Students, we could only get this country after a huge number of sacrifices of lives, properties, and lands. Moving to the next line, people left their family houses to be in Pakistan. In the beginning, many people lived in refugee camps because they did not have any place to live. Students, here the beginning means earliest stage of something or the earliest part of something. Refugee camp means temporary facilities built to provide immediate protection. At the time of creation of Pakistan, people left their houses and properties and their loved ones. That's why refugee camps were built for them as a temporary protection because they didn't have any place to live. Moving to the next line, we should love our country. All Pakistanis are our brothers and sisters and we are a big family. We should respect each other and live in peace. Pakistan is a gift given to us from our heroes. So, do you know who are our heroes? Yes, you know, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Liaquat Ali Khan. So students, we should respect each other and live in peace. We should be honest and good citizens of this country, and we should be loyal to our country. Moving to next paragraph. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. Students, here founder means creator. He is regarded as father of the nation. Babai-e-Qaum and Quaid-e-Azam are his titles. He was a lawyer by profession. Means उनका पेशा वकालत था. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Let's revise the meanings of difficult words again. The first word is partition. Partition means being divided into parts, means alahdagi. The next word is refugee camps. Refugee camp means temporary facilities built to provide immediate protection. Understood? The next word is sacrifices. Sacrifices means something you give up, usually for the sake of a better cause. Means किसी अच्छे मकसद को हासिल करने के लिए कुर्बानी देना. The next word is beginning. Beginning is the first part or earliest stage of something. The next and the last word is founder. Founder means creator. So my students, let's recall what we have studied today. We studied about Muslims worked very hard for Pakistan. Everyone made sacrifices of land, property and life. All Pakistanis are brothers and sisters. We should respect each other. We should be honest and loyal to our country. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder and first Governor General of Pakistan. Hope all of you understood what you have studied today. So, your task is that you have to read page number 7 of your resource pack. Write words meanings in your notebook. Dear students, now take out your English notebooks. Open your index page. Have all of you opened? Okay. Write down the serial number 1, today's date and topic. Our topic is words meanings. Class 2 educarians, now I am going to tell you how to prepare your notebook page for homework. For this purpose, first draw margin line, then write day, date and today's task at the top of your page. As you know, our topic is My Country, My Pride, Pakistan. So, you will have to write the meanings of difficult words in your notebook. Students, for this, you have to draw a line at the center of your page. Then you have to write words at the left side of the line and the meanings at the right side of the line. As I have already told you the meanings of difficult words in the previous slide, so you may take the help from that slide. Hope all of you enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day, students. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.